Hello, Eli the hookah guy here again. This time doing another ROR tobacco. Excuse me. Mint Avalanche. Now the cut's the same, medium choppy, golden leaf tobacco, and the smell. It's a strong mint. The sinus clear. It'll open up your sinuses for sure. Nice strong peppermint smell. That's a nice strong peppermint. Little sweetness. This is a good mixing mint. It's a very natural type tasting mint. If that makes sense. Kind of a little earthy, not like a little bit. It's not as like earthy as like Uber mint was from Black Lava, but it's nice. It's about the strength, I'd say, about trifecta twice the ice, or maybe FML green, but not overly barely cold like twice the ice X. That was, I could smoke it, but some people can't. If you're sensitive to mint, you probably want to use this as a mixer. If you're a mint head like I am, you'll like it. It's nice and cooling, cools the back of the throat. It's not like a chest freezer, but I'm used to some pretty heavy mints, but this is good. This is satisfying. Oh yeah, mint Avalanche. This is Eli the hookah guy. That's pretty much about it. It's the long and short of it. Just a straight up strong peppermint flavor.